How's everybody doing tonight, Keto family? Matt Troy's here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make some keto chocolate chip cookies. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Cullum Jess Islip. Thank you so much for being a big supporter of this channel. This is for you and everyone else. And if you have a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section down below. And if it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and I'll give you credit for it right in the video. Keto chocolate chip cookies. Let me show you how to make these right now. All right, so we're going to begin with the dry ingredients. We have 1 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda. All right, the dry ingredients have been combined. Now for the wet ingredients. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Mix the wet ingredients until combined. Now to combine the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now mix until combined. The mixture has been mixed well. Now it's time to add some chocolate chips. I use Lily's semi-sweet baking chips, 8 grams of carbs, minus the dietary fiber of 5 grams, and 3 grams of erythritol. Literally 0 net carbs. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of Lily's baking chips. And mix it up until it's combined. Now it's time to transfer these onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And make sure you have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to use a teaspoon to measure out the cookies. And there's no need to press it down because they will rise in the oven. Make sure you leave adequate space in between the cookies. Alright, now to pop these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Alright, 10 minutes later, here are the cookies. Fresh baked chocolate chip cookies. Now for a taste test. Alright, I can't wait to try these. These look incredible. Smell delicious. Smell like a real cookie. That is good, guys. Man, these will go great with a cup of almond milk or my keto coffee, which I'll link above here. These are delicious, guys. They're soft, chewy, yet crunchy. Man, these are good. I will say, try to leave a little more spacing in between the cookies because they expand a lot, as you can see. You know what I'm going to do next? I'm probably going to make keto ice cream sandwiches with Rebel ice cream in the middle. That's going to be delicious. I made an ultimate keto cookie right here. Look at that. Man, look at that cookie. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.